Hello, friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Our topic in this video is about Google, Chrome, Google Maps, Gmail, Google Photos, Drive, Authenticator, and Play Store. Google, the parent company and the world's most popular web search engine. It organizes global information and provides artificial intelligence tools, software, and hardware, like Android and Pixel devices. Chrome, a web browser used to access the Internet. It is highly popular for its speed, built-in security features, and the ability to sync your bookmarks and passwords across all your devices. Google Maps, a web mapping and navigation service. It offers real-time GPS routing for driving, walking, and public transit, alongside interactive satellite imagery and local business information. Gmail, a web-based email service provided by Google. It is well known for its massive storage capacity, reliable spam filtering, and tight integration with other productivity tools. Google Photos, a cloud-based photo and video storage, sharing, and editing service. It automatically backs up your pictures and features intelligent search. For example, searching for dogs to find photos of your pets. Drive, a cloud storage service that allows you to store, share, and collaborate on files from anywhere. It also integrates with Office software, like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, to let multiple people work on documents at the same time. Authenticator, a security application that adds an extra layer of protection to your online accounts via two-factor authentication, 2FA. It generates secure, temporary 6-digit codes that you must enter alongside your password when logging in. Play Store, the official digital distribution platform, App Store, for Android devices. You use it to download and update mobile apps. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And press the bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.